Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how to create your own logo using WhatsApp and the Meta AI chatbot, and I'll also be showing you how to remove the background from that logo and to customize the text. Create a nice logo for my company Asakeni. The logo should have a corporate feel and should be on a plain white background. And then we click send. See, this is what it gives us, but you'll notice that the text is wrong, so we'll fix that in the next few steps. To remove the background, we'll use remove.bg, and it's a free tool which allows us to remove the background from any image that we want. So just select the image that you want and it will remove the background in a few seconds, and that's all. Once you're done, click download and save your image. So we'll be using PixelLab to customize our logo, and the first thing that we want to do is to change the background so that it's transparent. So we click that and change the background to transparent, move the text so that it's a bit lower, and then we add the image from our gallery. You'll notice that it's now on a blank background, but then we also want to crop out the incorrect text. So we will crop out the text so that we're only left with the icon. And once we are satisfied, we center the icon. And once we are sure that our text is centered, we then move on to the next step, which is changing the text to what we want it to be. So we'll just change that and write Asakeni and click OK. And then we change the color to black, and then we change the font. Let's try days, see how it looks. No, I'm not really happy with that one. Let's try another one. Let's try this Nevis. Okay, I think that could work. So let's enlarge the text, simply dragging, and then try and position the text in the center. Once we are satisfied that our text is centered, let's try and spice it up a bit. Maybe let's change the first letter, the color of the first letter. Just scroll down, select the first letter, then choose a color closer to that. I'll choose this one, and that's it. We now have our logo. We can now save our logo. All we need to do is click save, and then we save it as an image, but then the key is to save it as a PNG so that it has that transparent background which you can use on your images, on your videos and other things whenever you're using your logo. And this is how the final output will look, and I've placed it on a white background. I'm sure you can see how nice it is. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.